Flying my Value Hobby Giles 202 Foamy 3D plane. This will be a short one. Like I said, I just have one battery left, but there's no wind today. So it is a good day to fly. Do a straight harrier, turn it into a roll. Show you guys my controls. Yeehaw! This plane's too much fun, guys. Look at that parachute all the way to the ground. Big alpha, keeping that nose up. Tried to flip it around, it wasn't pretty. Woohoo! Got a little close for comfort there, guys. Flying a 3S 500 milliamp. Caught it. Still had a little bit more battery left. This plane just handles, guys. Doesn't climb very well. I will say it's a slow flying model. There's some rolling harriers for you. They're ugly as sin, but I started to learn them. Let's see if I can't do that one more time before I really hurt someone. Woo! Stalled it out. Things to work on. Getting them a little straighter and just being sure in my initiation of the rolling harrier. Try it one more time. Nah, I need more time on simulator, guys, before I really get good rolling harriers, but you saw one. That's the best one I've done with this plane yet. Woo! That's how you land it, guys. That's how you land it on a Monday morning. Thanks for watching.